welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Bombay High Court restrains Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation from felling 177 trees in RA till clarification comes from Supreme Court. Surveillance by state unacceptable unless absolutely necessary in larger public interest, says former SC Judge Chalmeshwar. Transgender person having undergone sex reassignment surgery to become woman, entitled to protection under the Domestic Violence Act, holds Bombay High Court. Educational degrees of PM Modi exempt from RTI Act, in absence of larger public interest, holds Gujarat High Court. Suvendu Adhikari moves Calcutta High Court, seeking probe by central agencies in the Ram Navami violence case in West Bengal. Madras High Court dismissed PIL, seeking action against director of PS1 for distorting history. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Bombay High Court, while hearing a PIL challenging the order of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, permitting the felling of 177 trees at the RA forest in Mumbai, restrained the Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited from felling of trees for metro project till the clarification about the same comes from the Supreme Court. A division bench of the acting Chief Justice S.V. Gangapurwala and Justice Sandeep Marne observed that the case was pending before the Supreme Court and likely to be heard on April 11th. And so the MMRCL shall not fell trees until it seeks clarification or order from the Apex Court. The former judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Chalmeshwar, speaking at an event, said that there was a greater need to exert democratic pressure on lawmakers and parliament to create a rational legal system to regulate monitoring of citizens, and that surveillance by state is unacceptable unless absolutely necessary in larger public interest. The former judge also said that there should be an amount of transparency when it comes to the surveillance by state, and there shouldn't be abuse of probe agencies. Justice Amit Borkar of the Bombay High Court ruled that a transgender person who undergoes a gender reassignment surgery to become a woman is entitled to seek relief under the Domestic Violence Act. The court highlighted that Section 2A of the Act defines an aggrieved person and states that it can be a woman, but the term is not limited to binary gender, and that individuals who have become women after a surgery must also be recognized as aggrieved persons under the Act. A bench of Justice Viren Vaishnav of the Gujarat High Court set aside an order passed by the Central Information Commission in 2016 that directed the Gujarat University to provide information as to the educational degrees of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The court held that the information sought for was neither relatable to accountability and transparency in public functions discharged by the PM, nor was there any larger public interest in disclosure, and the matter is only that of political curiosity. The court further held that such requests cannot be made so casually, making a mockery of the very intent and purpose of the RTI Act. The leader of opposition in West Bengal and BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari has moved the Calcutta High Court, demanding a probe by the central agencies like CBI and NIA in the matter of violence on Ram Navami in the state. The leader filed a public interest litigation to probe the incidents of arson and use of explosives along with stone pelting. The petitioner states that from the manner of the attack, it can safely be assumed that the entire attack was pre-planned and was done to prevent the Hindus from celebrating their festival and create communal tension. The petition even calls the attack state-sponsored. A bench of acting Chief Justice T. Raja and Justice Bharata Chakravarti of the Madras High Court dismissed a PIL filed against director Mani Ratnam for the alleged wrong portrayal of history of the Chola Empire in the movie Ponniyin Selvan 1. The PIL was dismissed after the court observed that the film was based on novels written by author Kalki and not based on historical characters. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.